How to fix blurry game in full screen. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your games get blurred out in the full screen, you need to try this quick and easy step. Firstly, what you can do is in the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for settings. Now in the settings, navigate to the option of system. In the system, check out for display. Now over here you need to check for the scale and layout and make sure that the scale is set on the recommended one. If it is set on 175 or 125 or 100, make sure that it is set as default in your PC. Just like that, in the display resolution as well, make sure it is set as recommended or the factory setting mode. If it is set to any other, just press on the reset button. The settings option will differ based on the PC that you are using, and in some of you, there might be the option of automatic adjustment of scale. If you have such feature, make sure to toggle off the automatic changing of the scale. This might lead to blurry games in full screen. Once you follow this, the blurry game in full screen will be resolved. Now, once you have rest assured of it, don't forget to give your PC and your game a quick refresh. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.